In this video, we're going to learn how to create a mail merge. A mail merge is great for creating batches of documents where only the details of the recipient need to change. For example, a mail merge is ideal for letters with personalized addresses. To create a mail merge, first draft the Word document exactly how you would like it to appear. In this example, we're going to use a letter. I've highlighted the placeholders I want to populate with the mail merge yellow. Next, we need to lay out the recipient details in an Excel document. Make sure all of the data is neatly organized and separated in columns, and make sure each column has a header. Make sure the Excel document is closed before starting the mail merge in Word. To start the mail merge, open a Word document and click on the Mailing tab. Click on Start Mail Merge and click on Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge Wizard will appear to the right of the document. First, we need to select the document type. As this is a letter, I'll select Letters. Scroll down to the bottom of the wizard and click Next Starting Document. As we're using this document, I'm going to leave the selection as Use the Current Document. Scroll down to the bottom and click Next Select Recipients. As we've created an Excel document with recipients, I'm going to leave the selection as Use an Existing List. Click on Browse to open the Excel document. Browse to where the Excel document is saved and click Open. Click on the Excel sheet containing the recipient data and click OK. The mail merge recipients will display. You have the option to sort and edit the data here. Click OK. Click on Next Write Your Letter. Select each placeholder and click on More Items from the Mail Merge wizard. As a placeholder for first name and surname on the same line, I'll click on first name first, then surname. Click Insert, then click Close. Make sure you include a space between necessary placeholders like first name and surname. Repeat these steps for the remaining placeholders. Once you've populated all of the placeholders, click on Next Preview Your Letters on the Mail Merge wizard. The letter will update with the first entry of the recipients. Now that I've populated the placeholders, I'm going to remove the yellow highlight and format the customer ref to match the customer ref formatting in the body of the document. The placeholders are highlighted grey to indicate that they are field codes. They will only appear grey on screen and will not print with any shading. Once you're happy with the general formatting, click Next Complete the Merge. Either click on Edit Individual Letters to make any edits or Print to print them. Select All to review all records and click OK. A new document will open with all the recipients in it, separated by a section break. If you want to make any changes, go back to the Mail Merge document and rerun the Mail Merge. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.